Baby room's home decoration. Do you want to create a bedroom your child can't wait to go to bed in? Using our glowing stickers, you can make such a beautiful starry sky that their friends will be excited to spend the night. Package includes 1 lot, 100 pieces. It is small size star and moon. 100% brand new and high quality. You can use for home, room decoration. Plastic material used for the product. Just place on any clean, flat surface. Only need 5 minutes. To enjoy a nighttime view, it is easy to apply and stays on the wall or ceiling without falling off until it needs to be removed. These stars need some light to work. You can put them in the sun, flashlight, lamplight, illuminate, they will create a romantic panorama. Due to different monitor and camera lights, it may cause slight color differences.